Today, we study the gentle rhythm of this forest.
Guess who?
My mom! Get out! No! Oops!
I'm waiting. Nothing opens up the old factories like firing up some sizzling steak. Hey, lazy good-for-nothing grill. I've had snow cones hotter than you.
What have you done?
Well, at least I still have my personality.
Now how am I gonna cook all this steak?
That's the neat thing. You don't.
Hey!
So you had to grill up my famous round and pound lentil loaf.
Ooh, that guy has a grill. Perfect.
I don't like where this is going.
Stop! Hey, you just derailed the chow train.
Trust me, it was a train wreck before I got here.
Get the fuck out!
No, 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 no!
Bam! Stop!
You are dead! Not a big surprise.
Time to give that chef his just dessert.
Please, Larry, you don't understand.
All right, everyone. Now it's time to prepare my pasta. Pasta. Because you just has to eat it.
Wait a minute.
You put sausage in my pasta.
Here, try this.
Get that garbage out of my face!
You are gonna like it! That was a TNT chili. Correct! I win! Listen, Woodpecker, what will it take to get you to leave me alone?
Cook me up some meat.
How about now?
Sorry about all that, folks. Let's get a close-up.
This is a close-up. A close-up, you jerk! A close-up!
That's too close!
I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck. Now if I give a shit.
Enough! It's time! It's time to stop, okay?
Okay.
No more!
Psych!
You're screwed. Yeah, you're totally screwed.
Now I can finally cook my food. Woo woo!
No!
I told you, no meat.
How do you get rid of a wolf?
Whistles on the blink, the whistle won't blow, and what do you think? My papa's still in the factory.
Hey! Isn't that Little Red Riding Hood?
What with?
Yes!
I am the smart. I am the smart. I am the smart. I am the smart.
Woodpecker, a lesson you'll never forget.
That meat smells delicious.
Well, we're fucked.
Oh my God!